How to enable or disable metadata display in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the media workspace or any timeline where your clips are visible. Now, look at the top right corner of the interface. You will see a small icon labeled Metadata. This is the toggle for showing or hiding metadata details of your selected clips. Click once on the metadata icon to enable the metadata display. This will open a panel showing detailed information about the selected clip, such as resolution, frame rate, codec, and more. If you want to disable metadata, simply click the metadata icon once more. The panel will close and the extra details will disappear from view. This quick toggle helps you keep your workspace clean when you don't need extra information and lets you focus only on editing. And that's it, now you know how to enable or disable metadata display in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.